Hey!
Hello, people.
Hello, YouTuber.
Welcome back to our channel.
Yes.
Welcome back to our channel. My name is Esther and
I am Daoud.
Yeah. Okay, too much easy.
It's not too much of it. It's just me feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
Always feeling yourself. Okay, so welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Daudu and Esther. Yeah, thank you all for your like. Thank you all for subscribing to our channel. Thank you all for your comments. Thank you all for watching our video, especially. Thank you so much. And today we will be doing something a little bit different from the talk show and all that.
Very different.
Yes, so we'll be doing the best friend tag. He's my best friend.
So today we'll be doing how well we know each other.
Yeah, so how well we know each other.
So we want to put our friendship into a test. So we want to know how well we know each other.
How well we know each other, guys. So he's going to be answering some questions about me and I will be answering some questions about him. So guys, let's see how far we go with this game. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready. Are you ready to rumble?
I think so. I'm ready. Yeah, guys, let's go. Team Esther and
Team Daudu. We're bringing in, guys. Bring it in. Okay, so let's just go straight into it so we don't take much time.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's just go with easy questions first of all. I think easy question for.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, what's my favorite color?
Favorite color, like the one like colors for clothes or general, which one?
Which one is color for clothes? What's my favorite color? Clothes, no clothes. What's my favorite color? Don't fall my hand, please. I just said it's an easy question. Thank you.
Calm down. I think black. He likes black actually, but because we live in Japan, he can't wear black and black. That's why I'm asking, is it for clothes or something? Because black and black signifies like you're going for a burial or funeral ceremony. So I think it's black.
Okay, so we know which time. Yeah, she's right. Black.
Really?
Yeah. I like black.
Okay.
So that's why I think it's just a very easy color. It goes with anything. So that's why I like black.
Okay.
Yeah, so, okay, your favorite color. I have three options. I have between blue, pink, and purple.
You have to choose one because I picked just black for you, so pick one.
So is it, let them fail my first question.
Pick one.
I know she likes blue, and pink is girlish. I'm sorry to say, like, no, I'm not trying to, like, but purple, yeah. She talks more about purple. Okay, I'll go purple.
Okay, yeah.
See?
You're right.
That's why it's an easy question. So we just start with the easy ones. Okay, so next question. What animal do I like?
That's easy.
Yeah, it's very easy.
Because I know you like dogs.
Don't fall my hand. Dogs?
Huh? Really? Maybe you always talk about dogs. You have dogs at home back in Nigeria.
Actually, I like dogs, but my favorite animal isn't dog. Yeah, I like dogs, but that doesn't mean my favorite animal should be dog. That doesn't mean my favorite animal should be dog. I personally I like tigers, white tigers. Yeah, no. Yeah.
All the way.
Yeah.
Okay,
The
fine.
thing is, because I like dog doesn't mean dog should be my favorite animal.
Okay, cool. I feel that. Okay, he likes tigers.
Yeah, I love tigers. White tigers. Yeah. Siberian tigers and all that.
Okay.
Tigers. So your favorite animal should be no animal. Our favorite animal is no animal, because she doesn't like any animal. She's scared of all animals. she's scared of all animals. So even dogs, cats, she doesn't. So I don't know what her favorite animal is. She doesn't have a favorite animal. Am I right? No, don't tell the crowd. No,
Okay, that's true. You're right.
Not you. I
You're right. You're right.
Okay, so let's just move on.
Okay.
What would make you more happy?
What would make me more happy?
Yeah, what would make you more happy?
Like, generally, or what?
What would make you more happy?
Like gifts?
Generally. Like family, gifts, friends,
whatever.
Money.
Anything.
Yeah.
I think number one is
what? Me? 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 You mean me?
you.
Oh, really? Oh.
And family.
Okay.
And
Okay.
friends. I think I have three things.
Okay.
You, family, and friends.
She said me.
Don't feel yourself next.
Okay, for you, I think it's the same thing. We just
same thing.
Yeah, she's the one person that always makes me happy. Yeah, she's the one person that always makes me happy.
Aww.
Yeah, then probably families, then friends. So it's just that hierarchy. My beautiful queen here, then my family, then friends. I'm sorry, family, if you're watching. I love you guys, but just...
We love you guys. Okay.
Okay, next question. Yeah, what do you prefer for breakfast?
What do I prefer for breakfast?
Yeah. No, what do I prefer for breakfast?
Oh, you.
Yeah.
Well, what do you prefer for breakfast? He prefers taking cereals or coffee.
Babam. You're wrong. I'm not a breakfast person.
Exactly, you're not a breakfast person.
Yes.
I know, but the question was like, what do you prefer? It doesn't say if you like breakfast.
No,
or
it
not.
doesn't. I feel. What do you guys think? I feel if you just say I don't prefer.
I know.
I'm not,
I was about to
breakfast
say that,
person,
but
sometimes he just takes coffee or something.
uh,
Okay, yeah. Let me just
give
give
it
that
to
to
me.
her. So I'm not a breakfast kind of person. So anything you bring, I'm okay with. I just eat anything for breakfast.
okay.
But for
No,
her,
never.
no, I don't eat eba. I don't eat eba in the morning. So for her, her favorite breakfast food, it's just the same. She can eat this all year round. She likes tea. She likes tea, milk tea, coffee. No, she doesn't like coffee. Milk tea, cocoa tea.
Cocoa. You're pronouncing cocoa like Japanese.
Sorry, cocoa tea.
Cocoa.
So she likes milk tea or whatever tea in general, but she doesn't like coffee. Coffee is out of it.
Yeah.
She feels it's bitter. But tea, her friends they all know that she likes tea. She can drink tea
In the morning,
eba.
afternoon, and night.
She takes tea and eba. Tea and swallow. Those that know what swallow is, we know. She likes tea very, very much. So that's her favorite breakfast food. Normal, typical breakfast food.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's go. What are you most scared of?
What am I most scared of?
Yeah.
That question shouldn't be for the camera.
She wants to dodge you guys. Like, she wants to run away from you guys. Yeah, I can answer it though. She'll answer my part.
Answer yes.
Okay, it's like, what am I most scared of?
What are you most scared of?
Oh, okay, not relationship wise now.
Oh, not relationship
No,
wise.
don't let.
Okay.
Okay, do it non-relationship and relationship wise. What am I most scared of?
Or what are you most scared of is losing your loved ones.
And that's for relationship.
But that's for relationship.
Yeah.
But
Like I mean my fear, my phobia. Like, is it heights? Am I scared of the dark? Am I scared of animals? Am I scared of
nothing.
dying? Like, no, nothing?
Nothing.
Actually, I'm not scared of heights.
He's not scared of, if it's things like that, you're not scared of heights, you're not scared of animals, you're not scared of taking risks, you're not scared of
I'm not scared of
nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, so
for
me,
relationship wise.
or relationship wise, I know you're scared of losing loved ones.
Okay, yeah. Okay. That's true.
Okay, so let's
especially
keep it
her.
there.
Especially her. I'm always scared of losing her. Like, I don't want to lose her. Yeah, so that's that. For her case, she's scared of height.
Yes.
She's scared of animals. She's scared of
Insects. Okay, that's
insects, animals generally. Yeah, any flying objects, crawling objects. She's scared.
Walking objects.
Walking object, crawling, flying, crippling, whatever. And she's not scared of dark. I don't think so. Are you?
No.
Not really. So. She's not really scared of dark. Yeah. But aside from that, yeah, no, every other thing she's scared of. So for relationship, it's the same. I feel you're scared of losing me. So that's it.
Okay, back to the video.
Okay, so guys, that's just it. So next. If you have 24 hours until the world ends, what would you do?
If I have 24 hours until the world ends, what would I do?
Yeah, what would you do? What's the crazy?
Until the world ends, I think
Captain
be with all my family.
Okay.
Be with my friends. Be with everyone I love to be around with.
Okay. Okay, yeah, that's basically something.
That would be like the best thing I could. So the world would end with us being together.
Oh yeah.
Would it end? It's over.
How would I rather spend my weekend?
How would you rather spend your weekend? I think you would be watching TV, playing game.
Okay. Watching TV.
Like watching movies, actually.
Yeah, TV.
Movies.
I don't watch Japanese TV.
Okay. Watching movies,
okay, better.
Playing game, and listening to music.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'll either be listening to music. You didn't even mention sports. I'll be watching for weekend.
Oh yeah, you'll be watching football.
Yeah, watching football.
Yeah, playing game or listening to
music. Yeah. So I don't watch TV. Like I watch something else.
Okay.
Yeah. So for our case, she would rather be like weekends. She would actually be on Instagram, pressing her phone, charting. She's not really a movie kind of person, but if I'm watching movies, she likes taking part, like joining me to watch movie. So yeah, maybe watching movies. So with me, games sometimes, Tokidoki sometimes, like not every time. Yeah, and yeah, basically mostly she will be on her phone, like with her phone.
Are you trying to say I'm a phone person?
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. You just said that. So.
Okay, that's right.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay, so what is that one thing? Okay, not one thing. What do I always have with me when I'm going out?
What do you always have with you? Your phone, of course.
Oh, definitely my phone.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me restructure the question. Like, what's that one thing I? Okay. Let's stick to that. What's that one thing I always have with me when I'm going out? My phone.
Your phone, your wallet.
Okay.
Your cards.
It's inside my wallet. That's wallet generally.
Oh, your wallet. Okay, your wallet, your phone.
Okay. That's it.
Huh?
Okay, that's it. No, that's not it. I always go out with my brush and my comb.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I always like moving around my brush and my comb, my hairbrush and my comb.
Okay, hairbrush, comb, wallet, and phone.
Yeah, so that's
okay.
I prefer going out with my hairbrush and comb, and my towel, than my phone and my wallet. Trust me. Because I like looking fresh. Fresh.
Okay.
So for her, I think she likes going out with her phone. I said, she's a phone person, so always with her phone, and a wallet. Sometimes she doesn't really go out with her wallet.
Yeah, when I'm going out with
when
you.
she's going out with my wallet, she doesn't go out with her wallet.
I don't go out with my wallet. I just keep it, and it's like, hey babe, I need maybe 1,000 yen there. I'm like, oh, I didn't come with my wallet.
So I take the fall for that. So that's it. And her makeup, yeah, she's always with her makeup, right? Either it's the thing you guys rub on your cheek, and you plaster your face,
yes,
the foundation,
yes,
the bricklaying work.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, next. Okay, so what's my favorite drink?
Your favorite drink?
Yeah.
Well, I know you don't like soda. That's like Coke, Fanta, and all that. You don't like it. I think juice.
Okay, juice.
Green tea.
Oh yeah, I like green tea.
And coffee. And water.
Yeah, I like water, green tea. Water and green tea. Juice is so.
Okay. I know you take juice instead of taking Coke and all that.
Yeah, I don't like soda.
Okay.
I don't like soda drinks, Coke, whatever, Pepsi. I stopped drinking them few.
Okay, so I got that question right.
Yeah, for you, I think you like tea. My favorite drink is tea. Cold tea, hot tea, milk tea.
Even when I'm outside, I still get
indoor,
tea
outdoor,
from the vending machine.
middle door, over bridge door, every door, tea. She likes tea.
Okay.
Why? Okay, so that's a favorite drink. Who was the person I had my first kiss with? Or what scenario? I think we mentioned it before. Like my first kiss. What scenario did it happen?
I don't know.
So we've not talked about it.
We have, but probably forgotten. I can't remember.
To be frank, I can't also remember.
Okay.
But I just remember it was my when I was very very young, and you know this daddy and mommy's play. This daddy and mommy's play. Then
okay.
can you pay? I'm the daddy and you are the mom.
Okay.
And you know what daddy and mommy used to do. So we did what daddy and mommy, not the real daddy and mommy thing that brings another daddy or that brings another child.
The kissing part of daddy
the
and
intro part to
mommy.
the daddy and mommy. So I think that was where I had just
a kiss.
But
a kiss. What kind of kiss?
So just a kiss.
Or like.
Don't scare me. Just a kiss.
Okay.
Yeah, for yours, I remember. I think it was like in a party while you were in secondary school, sex school, right?
High school.
Yeah, high school, a party. Then they were having like devil's basket. That devil in the basket. That's making
Right.
I got it. Who is leading now with point?
I don't know.
I'm leading right. I'm leading right now.
Okay.
So you still just. I know. See, I know everything about you. If you want me to proceed, okay.
Next question.
Okay. What sport do I do best? Am I good at? What sport am I good at?
Soccer, of course.
Okay. Yes.
Football.
But for you, she probably doesn't have any sport. She doesn't like any sport.
I'm sorry, but I don't like any sport.
You guys don't get me wrong. She's sociable, but it's just some of these things don't freak her. She likes the social media kind of lifestyle. So she's more of the phone kind of person. If you should ask me questions related to what social media platform does she like the best, I can give you people the answer now. Twice. But when it comes to sports,
don't tell the world. It's okay.
There's nothing the world already know. Okay, guys, I think that should be the end of it. That should be all.
Oh, that's all for the questions.
Yeah, that's all for the questions.
Alright, guys.
I don't know if there's more questions. Okay, what's my favorite type of movie?
Or your favorite type of movie? I think he likes action movies. And maybe sitcom.
Yeah,
I think sitcom.
Yeah, like
comedy movies.
Yeah, comedy.
So, how about me?
Actually, for you, I think basically she doesn't like animation movies. No, that's a no. Action movies, yeah, okay, but not number one best. Comedy, so. She likes comedy, but sitcoms, no, she doesn't like sitcoms at all. But number one best is horror movies. Thank you. Gracias.
Yes, that's right. I like
she likes horror movies. Yeah.
Even if I'm usually very scared, I'm watching
While
it.
watching horror movies, she's still always scared. I don't like horror movies, but I watch it because of her. And she's always scared while watching horror movies, and I'm still the one comforting her. Don't be scared. It's okay. It's just a movie. So that's how weird we are.
Yeah.
She likes it. I don't like it, but she's scared, and I'm not scared. I still comfort her while watching what she likes best.
So I think we should end it here.
Yeah, so we should end it. We hope you guys enjoy this our best friend tags.
Yeah.
We know the questions aren't too much dirty like the way you guys want it, but if you guys want the dirty part of the question, you guys can drop it in comment section. I'm serious, we can do it for you guys. Just drop it. We'll do a part 2 for this, and we can go more deep and deeper into it if you guys want. So if you want, we would like to see your comment in the comment section. Just drop it down there, and we hope you guys love this.
Yeah, guys.
For watching.
Thank you so much for watching today. We love you all.
We really love you guys.
And please do not forget to like
and subscribe.
Like our video, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you guys. Bye.
Ciao, ciao.